Welcome to this tour of Warner Brothers Movie World, theme park on the Gold Coast in Australia. It's our second park tour from Australia, so don't forget to check out the first one on Dreamworld. Please remember to subscribe, like and comment on our videos. We always enjoy hearing your feedback, and we release videos each week with tours from all over the world. The theme park opened in 1991 and is the oldest of the Warner Brothers movie theme parks worldwide. The first of 6 roller coasters came with a Vekoma SLC in 1995. Looking around the main entrance plaza, Superman Escape, the park's Intamin launch roller coaster, dominates the view. The ride launches you over the top hat with an acceleration from 0 to 62 miles an hour in just 2 seconds. The ride itself is quite short, but the pre-ride experience is very detailed as you move between the station and the launch. In the DC Comic Superheroes Hub, which contains 4 rides, there is the DC Rivals Hypercoaster, a Mack Rides roller coaster standing at 202 feet tall with an 85-degree twisted drop. This ride has some great airtime moments and a non-inverting loop, which has you wondering which way you're going next. For me, the highlight of the ride is the reverse sit-in rear seats on the train. This allows for a completely different ride experience, as you can no longer see each of the elements coming, giving you constant happy surprises. In the same zone is the Greenland coaster, an S&S El Loco model. This one is 108 feet tall and features a 120-degree drop and 2 inversions. The inversions are taken at a low speed, as is the norm on this type of ride, to give that feeling that you're almost going to fall out of the seat. Also in this area are the Batwing Space Yacht and Justice League Alien Invasion 3D rides. The second of these is a standard style shooting dark ride where you target using laser guns mounted in the cars. Walking down into the main street of the park, this area is dominated by souvenir shops and restaurants, although you will meet some of the DC characters as they wander about. The park is not part of an active movie set, but there are films in production in the adjacent Warner Studios, in which films such as Scooby Doo were filmed. The park originally opened as a collection of movie-related scenes with a behind-the-scenes style. There are still a large number of shows that take place during the day which do display some of these behind the scenes kind of tours that we see at Universal. You can see as we reach the end of this street that we've reached the main stage for the Justice League, where we can see Superman, Flash, Supergirl, Wonder Woman, Green Lantern. And these characters appear throughout the day, where you can get autographs or have photographs taken with them. Moving over to the left, we're going to come round to the area where the stunt driver show is, and also to the Scooby Doo ride. The Scooby Doo Spooky Coaster is a wild mouse roller coaster which is manufactured by Mack Rides. The ride opened in 2002. Some of the key features of this ride are that you can actually watch the Scooby Doo film while you're in the queue, and also the elevator lift mechanism. Beyond the Scooby Doo ride, we have a strange area where Frontierland meets with LexCorp. Throughout this area, on one side of the street, towards the right, is a basic frontier town, and to the left we'll see that there are still rides related to LexCorp and the DC universe. In the LexCorp area, we'll find the Doomsday Destroyer, a suspended twin hammer from Intamin. Returning now to the frontier area, and we're walking down towards the Wild West Falls adventure ride, which is a log flume, which actually is one of the original rides that was added to the park when it opened. To the other end of the park now, and the Kids Warner Brothers Fun Zone, which is the children's themed area, which is based around the Looney Tunes cartoons. It's located in the far corner of the park and can be accessed via Main Street. This area features a number of rides specifically for children, which includes a carousel and a railroad, a small Vekoma Junior roller coaster named Roadrunner Roller Coaster, and a driving school. The driving school is a very cool layout, as it actually is the ability to drive around the theme park in miniature. And finally, I'll leave you with the Warner Brothers Parade, which happens every day in the park. Please do remember to subscribe, like and comment.